back to another video, and today we will be playing Minecraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make a water elevator. You will want to change your mode to creative, and if you want to name your world, you can name it, then just create your world. And wait for the game to load. I'll see you guys after the loading is done. Okay, so now that we are in our server, now first you gotta find out where you wanna build the elevator. I'm just gonna show you how to. So let's fly over to a plain area. For example, here. Break the grass. Now the materials that you're gonna be needing are these. Glass. Any type. You will be needing kelp. You will be needing water. And you will be needing soul, sand, You will be needing a magma block. And last but not least, a sign. So first, what you guys are going to want to do is just build a structure going up like this in a shape just closed like a circle. And then dig 2 here in the front and add 2 blocks to the sides. And then you want to put your sides. So guys, this tutorial is meant for the up elevator. I'm going to show you for the down elevator in some other video. So you're going to want to go down this water. And you're going to plant some kelp all the way to the top. Now then go to the bottom and break the bottom kelp and then replace it with the salt sand. And then now this will take you up. I'll show you for example. Now let me show you how to build the down elevator. So you're gonna wanna, break the salt sand and put the magma. And then as you can see, you will go up and then boom. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Bye bye.